Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Instapot 6QT accessories is probably one of the most versatile kitchen companions you can own, transforming your pressure cooker into a multifunctional powerhouse that can bake, steam, sauté, and so much more, allowing you to explore a universe of culinary possibilities and elevate your everyday meals from simple to spectacular with just a few clever additions. Number 5. Salbree Steamer Basket for Instant Pot. Tired of reaching deep into your cooker? Our steamer basket features permanently attached handles that clip together, making removal a breeze. You can easily lift your favorite accessory without any hassle. Designed to fit most 6-quart Instant Pots and many other pressure cookers and rice cookers, you can trust it to be a perfect fit for your kitchen needs. Crafted from long-lasting, dishwasher-safe 304 stainless steel, its solid construction ensures strength and stability, capable of lifting up to 20 pounds. Even with just one free hand, you can easily lift the basket. The premium, red silicone-wrapped handle provides comfort and stays out of the way. This product is built to last, ensuring it won't rust or fall apart over time. Enjoy a reliable cooking companion for years to come. Use it as a strainer, steamer, or cooking insert. Its versatility makes it an essential accessory for your pressure cooker. What we like? This steamer basket features built-in handles for easy removal, even with one hand. Its robust stainless steel construction ensures it will last. If you often find yourself needing to quickly retrieve items from your pressure cooker or prefer a more convenient lifting experience, this is a great choice. What people say. The wire mesh of these baskets is too small for the pasta to slip through. Using this basket, the pasta no longer burns or sticks to the bottom of the pot, because the basket does not touch the bottom of the pot. Using this basket, it is very easy to drain the pasta, simply picking the basket up via the silicone-covered handle. It's sturdy, well-built, and looks like it'll last for years. It makes cooking so much easier. Thanks to the raised legs, your food stays out of the water. Fits perfectly, and I can lift up the basket by picking up the covered handle. Seems sturdy, not fragile. Decent weight, and metal mesh is thick and strong enough, and no rust so far. Number 4. L&M Stackable Stainless Steel Insert Pans for Instant Pot. Unlock the full potential of your multi-cooker. These stackable insert pans allow you to prepare a variety of dishes simultaneously, making meal prep incredibly efficient. Ideal for pot-in-pot recipes, these pans let you steam vegetables, rice, meat, and fish with ease. You can even reheat leftovers without losing their original flavor or nutrients. Designed to fit most 6-quart and 8-quart multi-cooker models, these inserts offer a versatile cooking solution. They are the perfect size for single-batch cooking. The set includes a specially designed lid with no holes, perfect for steaming food. Its airtight seal ensures optimal cooking and reheating results every time. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, these pans are built to last. You can be confident that your health and the quality of your food are always protected. Enjoy the convenience of dishwasher-safe cleaning. These reusable pans are a sustainable choice, offering a durable alternative to disposable cookware. What we like? These stackable insert pans allow you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously, saving you time and effort. The airtight lid is perfect for steaming or reheating without losing flavor. If you love preparing pot-in-pot meals or want to efficiently cook a variety of foods at once, these are ideal. What people say. The big inner pot stays clean, while the insert pans are easy to clean and also great for storing leftovers in the refrigerator. I love these for cooking more than one item at a time in my 8Q Instant Pot. You can do rice on one level to steam, meat on another, and vegetables on another. I recommend these stainless steel pots. Very good quality. Excellent for pot-in-pot cooking. Number 3. 3PCS Silicone Sealing Ring for Instant Pot 6-quart. Ensure a perfect seal with these replacement gaskets designed specifically for your 6-quart Instant Pot. They are compatible with a wide range of popular models, providing a snug and secure fit every time. Crafted from premium, food-grade silicone, these rings are built to last. They are wear-resistant, corrosion-resistant, and can withstand high temperatures, ensuring your food stays safe and healthy. Experience worry-free cooking thanks to the airtight and leak-proof design. The unique rim groove ensures a strong, secure fit, preventing any unwanted leaks during operation. This pack includes 3 sealing rings, perfect for keeping your sweet and savory dishes separate. Available in black, blue, and clear, you can easily distinguish between them. These seals are made exclusively for Instant Pot pressure cookers and are not recommended for other brands. For optimal performance, it's recommended to replace your gaskets every 18 to 24 months. Replacing your old gaskets is simple and ensures continued safety and efficiency for your Instant Pot. Enjoy peace of mind knowing you're using BPA-free, high-quality accessories. What we like. These sealing rings are specifically designed for a perfect, airtight fit in your Instant Pot, ensuring optimal pressure cooking. Made from high-quality, food-grade silicone, they are durable and safe. If your current sealing ring is worn out or you want to prevent flavor transfer between sweet and savory dishes, replacing them with these is a must. What people say. These are a perfect replacement for the original seal for my GoWise 8QT Instant Pot. These were easy to get on and I have seen no issues with sealing. I got 3 seals, white, red, and black, so now I can color code which is used for what. White for savory, red for sweet, and black for defalcates, so no cross smells occur. They look exactly like the seal that came with my Instant Pot. I tried each one and they fit perfectly. My original seal is fine, but unfortunately it's impossible to get the smell out. I'm thrilled to have more seals that I can use for designated items. They feel, look and fit exactly like the seals that came with my Instant Pot. These replacement gaskets work great. I was having a hard time with the seal during the pressure cooking process and discovered that I needed to replace the gasket. These have solved the problem and now my Instant Pot works as good as new. Number 2. Instant Pot 1000 Recipes Cookbook. Discover a world of delicious possibilities with this comprehensive cookbook. It's designed to make your cooking experience effortless and enjoyable, even for beginners. Explore an extensive collection of 1000 recipes, all tailored for your pressure cooker. You'll find a variety of meals that are both easy to prepare and incredibly tasty. Say goodbye to complicated cooking. This guide simplifies meal preparation, allowing you to create satisfying dishes with minimal effort. New to pressure cooking? No problem. This cookbook provides easy-to-follow instructions and beginner-friendly recipes to get you started right away. Make every meal a success. It's the ultimate companion for anyone looking to expand their culinary skills and enjoy delicious, home-cooked food. What we like. This cookbook offers a massive collection of 1000 recipes, perfect for beginners and experienced cooks alike. It focuses on effortless and easy meals for your pressure cooker. If you're new to pressure cooking or looking for a wide variety of simple, delicious recipes to expand your culinary repertoire, this is an invaluable resource. What people say. You get 1000 recipes at a very low price. There is tons of variety from American, Asian, Mexican, Italian, etc. Each recipe has the nutritional value associated with the dish, so if you are on a special diet, there are plenty of options as well. Number 1. 73 PCS Instant Pot Accessories Set. This comprehensive 73-piece set has everything you need to expand your cooking possibilities. It includes steamer baskets, a rack, a springform pan, and much more. Designed to be compatible with 5, 6, and 8-quart electric pressure cookers and stockpots from top brands. You can be sure it will fit your appliance. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade 304 stainless steel and silicone, these accessories are BPA-free, odor-resistant, and built to last. They are also dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. Make delicious, low-calorie meals while preserving up to 95% of nutrients. Perfect for cooking meats, vegetables, eggs, cakes, and baby food, ensuring balanced nutrition. Give the gift of health and convenience. This accessory set is an ideal present for birthdays, allowing loved ones to enjoy healthier cooking and meals. What we like. This extensive 73-piece accessory set provides everything you need for your pressure cooker, from steamer baskets to baking pans. It's made from premium, food-grade materials for healthy cooking. If you're looking to maximize the versatility of your pressure cooker and want a comprehensive collection of high-quality accessories in one purchase, this set is an excellent value. What people say. As a beginner, like the magnetic labels as a cheat sheet for temperatures to be used for meat, vegetables, etc. Nice assortment of items, although some items are probably not going to be used. Silicone scrubby. Silicone pot holder fingertip things. The rest I will hopefully use a lot. Came in quicker than expected and as described. Haven't actually used them yet, but they seem to be excellent quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.